Welcome to Health Nugget Media Channel, where we provide health-related nuggets and answer critical health questions to give valuable guides. Please, subscribe to this channel. Today's topic we wish to address is intermittent fasting for beginners. Intermittent fasting has become increasingly popular in recent years to improve overall health, boost metabolism, and even support weight loss. But if you're new to the concept of intermittent fasting, it can seem a bit overwhelming. In this video, we'll be breaking down the basics of this eating pattern and discussing the potential benefits and drawbacks. So, whether you're just starting or considering giving it a try, this is the video for you. Intermittent fasting is a method of eating that involves alternating periods of eating and fasting. There are several different types of intermittent fasting, including the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, and alternate day fasting, where you fast every other day. According to a study published in the Journal of Translational Medicine, intermittent fasting has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, and improve cardiovascular health. Another study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that intermittent fasting can lead to weight loss, improved metabolism, and a reduction in the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and cancer. It's important to note that not all forms of intermittent fasting are created equal, and it's crucial to find the method that works best for you and your body. This may take some trial and error, so be patient and listen to your body. So, what do you need to know to get started with intermittent fasting? First, it's important to plan your meals and snacks so that you're eating enough nutritious foods during your eating window. This will help ensure you get all the nutrients you need and avoid overeating or feeling deprived. It's also important to stay hydrated, especially during your fasting periods. Drinking water and other unsweetened beverages can help you feel full and prevent dehydration. In conclusion, if you're considering trying intermittent fasting, it's important to approach it with caution and seek advice from a medical professional before starting any new diet or eating pattern. As a study in the British Medical Journal states, intermittent fasting is not suitable for everyone. And some people may experience negative side effects such as fatigue, headaches, and mood changes. So, take it slow, listen to your body, and find the best method. Remember, your health and well-being should always be your top priority. Thank you for watching this video. Try to comment below and share this video. Please, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you once again.